In today's video, I'm going to show you the types of reels which are trending right now, and these are working really well if you want to get sales, if you want to increase your engagement, followers and create a community. I have my iPad over here, and as you can see, the first type of reel which is really viral right now is something which is called as iPad based reels or whiteboard based reels. You might have seen a lot of influencers going ahead showing a whiteboard, or they are drawing on an iPad like I am and demonstrating something. So if you are in a niche where you have to explain something, maybe by drawing it, or by drawing illustrations, diagrams, anything like that, that will also help you a lot. And what will happen, the audience will understand whatever you have to teach way better in this way. Second one which I have here is called as vlog style reels. Now this I feel like any niche can do, not specifically marketing, finance, all of that. What you have to do is let's just say if you are making a cup of coffee, right? You showcase the entire process. So you showcase the entire process. For example, if I'm making a coffee, I go ahead, I grab my pan, I grab the milk. So when you are grabbing the milk, when you're pouring the milk, when you're pouring the coffee, when you're mixing the coffee, you talk a couple of things, right? This is how you do this, and then this happened or that happened. So this is called as a vlog style format. People are doing that with, cooking. They are doing that while they are doing their makeup, or they are doing it while they are doing their skincare. What is happening? The audience is also paying attention, not just on what you are saying in the video, but they are also paying attention to what you are doing visually. This will help you to increase your audience attention. The next kind of a video which is working really well, you can say, is called as prompt based videos. So basically ChatGPT, I feel like the entire world is using ChatGPT for each and every purposes, right? So what you are going to do here is use ChatGPT prompts and you give them away. So you give the prompts away. For example, if you are a person who's into fitness, and you can say, this is how I use ChatGPT to create my own personal plan for me, right? And then you say that you use this particular prompt, whatever the prompt is, and you like, okay, I'm going to tell this prompt to you if you comment below whatever keyword it is, right? These kind of videos are working really well because you need to understand, not everyone you see is amazing at ChatGPT, and especially at giving prompts to ChatGPT, right? So if you are someone who really knows how to create these good prompts, you can create a series of prompt based reels and then give it to your audience via DM automation, and you will start gaining followers. In that way you are helping the audience in some way as well. Okay, the next type of reels which are working really well is what I've seen is called as split screen reels. What is happening? There is basically two versions of you, two versions of you, where maybe let's just say this is you. My drawing is really bad here, but yeah, this is you and this is you. So you are using the video editing effects of splitting the screen. You're saying one thing, then the person sitting here is saying the same thing, like you are saying the same thing in a different line, right? So you're just saying, how do you do that? I do this by this. Okay, but how do you do this? Okay, the answer is this. It's like back and forth, and the audience will also understand it way better. You can also go ahead and create a different version of this by going ahead and changing your dresses, right? Changing your outfit. So let's just say this outfit of yours will have an all black outfit, and then this will have probably a red one. Probably the black one is basically someone who knows all the answers, the red one is probably confused. So you are going ahead and creating the visual representation itself. So split screen reels are working really well, and I would say it is working for fashion amazingly. If you want to show two types of how to style a particular thing in a, let's just say, modest way, and the next thing in a non-modest way, or there are different types on if you want to dress it for formal occasions, or if you want to dress it for party occasions, or like just casual going out. So this format of split screen is actually working in information sector as well, like if you want to give a lot of information in marketing, finance, and then in lifestyle sector as well. Now fifth kind of a reel which is working really well is called as a podcast based reel. Here you might have seen me also doing it. Now one thing you can also do is just go ahead and break down your original podcast, or what you can do is just go ahead, sit in front of the DSLR and do a fake podcast, right? You're not actually filming a podcast. What is happening? You just, instead of looking in the camera, you just look like this at a slant and it feels like you are talking to someone. So it's like a fake podcast situation thing. And what is happening, people feel like, okay, this is really working, podcasts are really working right now, right? So that's why the fake podcast thing is actually working. You've seen all the bigger creators, I think Raj Shamani does this often. Lastly, I have a bonus type of content which is working really well right now, and that is, this is something I called as authentic carousels. Now we all know that all carousels are basically what? The carousels are basically you post 10 similar images and they are highly produced using Canva, right? You design them in a different way, you go ahead and talk about it, you add a hook here, you add a call to action here, right? And then you provide the process over here. But what you need to do, what is happening in these authentic carousels is that you are literally just using the same photo. All of these photos are literally the same and you're just putting text from either Instagram, so I'm just going to write text from Insta, or you are just going to use text from a basic editing app, let's just say InShot. And what will happen is that the audience loves authenticity, right? This is called as authentic carousels. So they love the authenticity which they see in the reel, and the actual value providing is happening in the reel. Like you're providing actual value instead of focusing on your aesthetics. So I'll give you a good example of this which I posted yesterday on my Instagram. So as you can see, I posted this on Instagram, right? How do I post 30 pieces of content every week without a team, right? And as you can see, this is a non-edited photo of mine. I literally haven't edited it whatsoever, and this text which you can see, and the text which you can see over here is literally I've used it from my Instagram stories, right? I uploaded this image, I just wrote it down and then I pasted it for the same thing. And as you can see, the same image, but I'm providing the value. I'm not focusing on the aesthetics, I'm not focusing on how good does it look or anything. I'm just giving value to my audience and they seem to really like it. I did the same thing over here previously, right? How am I reviewing my dead account, right? It has received a good amount of traction and the amount of comments are way more than what I receive on my current reels, right? Simplifying the old content, I'm just writing it down and then giving a CTA at the end. So this is basically authentic carousels. Now these are the types of reels and contents which are working right now. Now if you want to learn more about how to make money using brand deals, and if you want to learn how to grow your personal brand, click the first link below to join my free personal branding course. And if you're interested, you can also join my masterclass which I do just once a month. All the details are linked down below. And please make sure to subscribe because I'm going to post so much videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.